Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about exhibition. Exhibition, you might have know this, like you might have visited many exhibitions for entertainment purpose or for knowledge purpose in your school days, college days. Now, the definition of exhibition is it's a planned a presentation or display of material, objects, a specimen, chart, or any posters for the presentation of public view, information, or knowledge purpose. Simple meaning that things are exhibited, things are displayed in a systematically arranged, organized manner so that general public can make use of it for their knowledge purpose or any kind of entertainment purpose. Then the types of exhibition, mainly two types, homemade and ready-made exhibition. Homemade exhibition, the example is nutritional food display. Ready-made exhibitions like a museum, planetarium. Next, the steps of making this exhibition. Assessment, selection of a layout or place, preparation, display and evaluation. Now assessment, first we are assessing that what exhibition we are going to do and what's the requirement, what's the need and why it is required, what's the advantage, importance, everything we are gathering the information. Selection of a layout, where we are doing this exhibition, because it should be in a center place where everyone can easily come, or it will be in eye catching attention so that everyone can easily access to this exhibition center. Preparation, it really takes a long preparation because we need to collect the material, we need to arrange, organize, we need to have a detailed information about the materials, object specimens, we need to lend something, we need to borrow, we need to prepare something. This all aspect comes in preparation. Display, display means we are exhibiting, we are displaying it, we are organizing and we are in a neat arrangement we are making of this materials. This is called display. Evaluation is at the end, how was our exhibition, what was the outcome, whether it was fruitful, whether the learners got any advantage, yeah, benefit because of exhibition or not. Okay, then the purpose of exhibition, exhibition which help to improve the knowledge and information level of a learner. Exhibition provide the recognition for the institution. For example, now we might have seen some famous institutions may have got their own exhibitions, like Manipal University. They have their a big established museum, anatomy museum. Then exhibition which help to acquaint the knowledge or improve their first-hand learning experience. A live display will be there so that individual get a very close connection with the materials so they can experience that which influence their knowledge as well as their level of thinking. Exhibition, it helps the cognitive learning process of an individual. Exhibition which enhance the interest of an individual. It's really different from a routine classroom lecturing method. Instead of sitting and listening, you're visiting somewhere, you're seeing something, and that knowledge will be better memorized in your memory. Then the disadvantage of exhibition, it's very expensive, time consuming, you need to prepare it, you need a lot of time to prepare the material, gather the material, arrange the material, and all the time we cannot lend the material from outside. Maintenance of this material may be very expensive, and sometimes it may not be that worth after spending lot of time and investing on that. Now all the time the viewers, audience may not like educational type of exhibitions. There are people who tend to have some kind of amusement exhibition. So like will be changed, like an interest will be changed, and now it will be a tough task for the organizer to catch the attention of the audience. So those all are the problems what we can notice in exhibition. So dear students, today we learned about exhibition. Exhibition is nothing but we are displaying the materials, objects, specimen which can be used by the public for their knowledge, information, competition or relaxation or entertainment purpose. Homemade and ready-made exhibition. The steps in making admission is assessment, selection of layout, preparation, display and evaluation. Then definitely you can write about purpose, advantage and disadvantages of exhibition. I hope you understood. You can expect 2 marks, 3 marks question on it. Then please keep watching so that we can learn some more in this nursing education. Thank you all.